where iPhone portability meets professional camera experience. This is RetroVa. Once I attach the grip, my phone feels like a real camera. Every press of the shutter feels natural, familiar. I don't need to tap the screen. Adjusting settings becomes fast and precise. Just like using a real camera, in an instant, it feels professional. When I want to reach farther, RetroVa has me covered. One simple twist brings the world closer. Even from a distance, I can capture the moment. And the film filters. I get classic shots I love straight out of the camera. With my own signature in frame, every shot feels personal and worth sharing. Worried about storage? Just add a micro SD card to the grip. Shoot as much as you want. With a wide range of modular accessories, RetroVa unlocks more creative possibilities while fitting the way I shoot. Wherever I go, whenever I'm inspired, I'm ready to shoot. That's how photography should feel. RetroVa makes iPhone photography more professional and more fun. RetroVa, where retro echoes, Nova answers.